How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How's everyone doing? As you know, this is Analyzing with El Dorado Effects. It's not financial advice. It's only a review of what we think happens in the market. So always check for confirmations. Always do your best to check what is going on in the market before entering the market. It's always important that you check what's going on. Anyways, as you know, guys, gold has been crazy dropping. So we're gonna say that it was a massive drop. So we're talking about a lot of pips to the downside. So it was really, really, really crazy. So yeah, it's over 4,000 pips to the downside. So, as you know, goes always like that. He's keeps surprising us and keeps surprising us. And then what we need to do is reassess and try to analyze it again and find key points again and key areas to see where the market's probably gonna go and see reaction there. So that's what we do. We keep following the same thing over and over because that's what it does. It usually drop more quicker than it flies. So the song that we're gonna be checking key song is 5,017 to 5,960. Yesterday we gave a key price which it was 5,014. But as you know, liquidity grab can take place and always can breach even more than it has breached it right now. But we're expecting a retest of this area 5,017 to 4,960. And then key price that the price need to breach for the buyers to keep going on 5,281. Otherwise, we can have a retest and drop. Key price to need to sustain for the strike to hold is 4,841. Then key price that can be tackled 5,420, which is the weekly high at the moment. So this is how it is. The market the market express itself. So we have an expression goes as an entity on its own. So we need to be just following the best properties management is possible. This always happens if you're not careful in the market, especially these days that 10 pips looks like 400 just in minutes. Sometimes it's just crazy. Big recommendation there. Always check for confirmations. Triple check confirmation these days. Don't overthink about it. You have to be more carefully considered if you have to trade this market. Sometimes not trading is trading as well, so just be careful. Okay, moving on. Where Bitcoin. We didn't say much about Bitcoin, but today we're gonna speak about Bitcoin a little bit. It's a daily time frame, so the key song at the moment that we see the buyers probably trying to enter, especially after the respect of all this low here, which is probably a liquidity area, but key song 65,763 to 65,088. If the price remains, then we're gonna keep on this range. Remember that we talk about the range. We saw that the price now already gave many pips. So first here when it hit the sell area, it gave a lot of pip plus 6,000 pips. Then again, it hit the key price, went out up as we explained. So we're talking about there around 4,000 pips. And once again, it hit the sell area, and again it gave more than 4,000 pips. So congratulations for those who've been following Bitcoin in these zones and key prices that we're giving in the screen. So just check for possibilities and always check for confirmations. El Dorado FX free, as you know, guys. Free every day, 1 to 2 signals. One signal was sent very early today in the London session. 150 pips done on a buy. So that was amazing. We're talking about $150, 150 pesos, 150. If you enter the market, whatever, £1, $1, one peso, it was 150 for those who invest there. So then, in the other hand, we have live trading in our premium channel with our premium members, and we're talking about more than 1,440 pips, which it was 9 signals sent, 8 signals won. So it was amazing again on El Dorado FX Premium. So congratulations for those who are part of Dorado FX Premium. Congratulations for those who are part of Dorado FX Free. So tomorrow we got news again, and we have NFP this week. Weekly candle open monthly candle open. So it's a lot of things. This guy, Mr. Trump, causing catastrophes everywhere, and it's crazy what is going on right now, and the war that is going on around Iran, the engagement of these people killing each other is just crazy. The way that the geopolitical situation is impacting gold and it's impacting the market. So just be careful, guys, with all this uncertainty that we have at the moment. And that's what explained in Trading View News. Gold drops nearly 2%. Yeah, it was a very, very sharp drop of today, Tuesday. And yeah, it's a lot of things going around. It's about the inflation. It's about the treasury. It's about military actions. It's about everything. Iran, everything is going around at the moment. It's just affecting the markets in a way that that we never seen before. It's just insane. It looks like NFP every single day. It looks like news without news. It's just crazy. Anyways, guys, this was everything from us. This was analyzing with Eldorado effects. See you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye bye.